Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Pass and Move Special, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Akulelandelayo as always, lokhu vele soyaziwa. Akudla ngitsho, we're the best. Is always, we're proudly brought to you by Ibenaya Foods, our number one sponsor. They've been with us since day one. We're very much humbled to have Ibenaya Foods with us, calling for other sponsors ukuthi bebuye lawo on board support. It's always nice to have many sponsors on board. Namhlanje with me as always, ukuthi angihambe ngeyi-one. Umjida uphendukile. Umjida wama-3 points.
Dad, uyisweet.
Ingishavu mina Tobi Skibani.
Man, umqando mdala.
Ngiyafiwa.
Umqando mdala.
Ngibeloke ngithi congratulations yini.
Yashado tusathini. Then bonke lo sithi congratulations.
So sishare la. I'm with Crispin Machisi. Tobi,
Dad,
sigele endabeni.
endabeni.
I know ukuthi lina abantu bama-3 points ibulawayo Chiefs. Vele akubuzwa.
Hhayi, akubuzwa,
Lokho
ne.
congratulations labalali sebemangala.
Why?
Ngapha lihlohlwa.
Thina esivuyela uhluhle.
Alihlohlwa, alidliwa, alidrowi. But you're doing a good job that side. Asihle singene endabeni Tobi.
Yes, mdala.
Sibonile phakathi kweviki izifa isinika lapha i-first 100 days zabo. So far wena ngezifa are you happy ngomsebenzi wabo lokho wangena unqobile emagwini?
Hey, so far mina I think bahamba bafuna ukwenza ukuthi ibhola lethu libe professional as it is, because uyabona la ukuthi khathesi yonke into isikhanya manje ukuthi bona bafunani exactly, because uyabona la ku-national sports khathesi sebefakile ama-bucket seats. Sesihope ukuthi i-first game izadlalwa lapha le-national team, uyabo. So I think they are doing a good job.
So far.
Yeah, so far they are doing a good job. Because nge-100 days ungabona almost bona bathi 82% sebeyenzile, uyabo.
From nxa bekhangela
Nxa bona bekhangela into kade beziplanile afuna ukuzi-achieve nge-100 days, uyabo. So la uyawubona but something is cooking sebe.
abasichachayi.
So far uyabona la ukuthi kule evidence ukuthi abantu laba bayenza sharp. Bayenza sharp. Singazi ukuthi sebehamba phambili but so far so good.
Ababukeleli ngayithuki ukwanele ukhona ngale ngemuva uMachisa nxa ikhona uyathanda ukubuyela ebe behind the scenes. Sithe singamvaleli phandle. Was i-manifesto yezifa wena mbona nama-pointers abo ungabulawa khona nami.
Yeah, ngilawo.
Unga-
Salibonani babukeli salibonani. Yeah. I think I would agree with Machisa, which I think they are on the right course. And khangele le manifesto yabo of the things that they say they wanted to achieve in that days. They have achieved indeed 82% of that already. So which is a good indicator ukuthi if they continue ngomsebenzi.
Ungasibalela one or two or
things.
three sibone ukuthi lokhu abathe bazakwenza bakuyenzile.
All right. So number one, they have achieved 100% of priority institutional audits that were initiated. They out of 22 institutional reforms, 18 of those have been achieved. 36 women have been appointed as a representation in the women's leadership. That is about 28% of izifa yonke so ngomama. 8 strategic technical initiatives they are underway at this point. 100% of key initiatives show active implementation when they are assessing them. And then 10 formal partnerships have been engaged so far.
Okay.
Yes.
So nxa sikhangele nje on the ground, which means i-mandate yabo bahamba ngayo proper.
Bahamba ngayo proper.
Abakaphambanisi. Angazi ukuthi ababukeli bazathini. Ngoba umsebenzi wezifa khanya so far uyabonakala nxa bona kwesitsho. Andithi sakhangela laphana si-check ukuthi even boma UK bahambile besithi check
Ngibone
ama-player.
eGermany bahambile,
You understand?
Germany bekhuluma nabantu, uyabona into
Even
zakhona.
e-Africa wahamba laphana siyadinga i-partnership lana e-Algeria. Utshengisa ukuthi unqobile Magwizi is busy
Is busy
e-ofisini.
ofisini.
Konda wathatha indaba ye-national sports. Uthi sibonile basitshengisile this ukuthi ama-buckets sebeqedile.
Sebeqedile. Yikho ngikutsho njengoba nathi silabafazi sebebaningi ebhoreni. At least bengalokhu kufunda ukusenzani. Kuyaba le-advantage ku-girl child ukuthi khathesi kasasaba ukuthi eyilanda umuntu ekhulume because amadoda nje uyabona ngabawodwa kuba nzima. But nxa sekulomunye umfazi to umfazi bekhulumelana ngebhora.
Ama-issues
Ama-issues abafazi
ebhoreni.
ebhoreni, uyabona into ezinjengazo ngalezo.
Njengoba sike sa-check-a ama-under 20 nama-under
Antshona
17.
ama-under 20 nama-under 17 kuningi siyaqina ukuwabona ukuthi under 20 abafazi
Abafazi
baphumile. Kade sebekhona under 17 uyabona.
Even though nje bedliwe
Rwanda,
but the fact ukuthi sikhona.
The fact ukuthi sikhona wesi 2-1 siyakwanisa ukuthi singabuya ngapha i-first league, uyabona. Singawuziwinela kuhle sesinjani.
Smoga Sila Stadium but
I
national sports
think
ukhuluma
national
so
sports I think kusiyafika isikhathi sangikhona so uqalisa next year I think it will be proper.
because ngimzwe sithi ufuna ukuthi by September ngase sidlala ama-World Cup qualifier la. Behle bedlalele.
Alana vele umele I think national yabe right.
Ngibone lo minister of sports la uSanyathwe ese-national sports e-check-a engani umdala ngani is busy.
Labi ngike manje ongichazile ukuthi uminister of sports ukabona la engani uyawena.
Ngani la
ubusy sibili
utshengisela ukuthi i-national sports we might have it soon up and running. Ngoba amboni ukuthi nxa ama-buckets sebefakile sokusele ingcebe ukuthi betshaye i-turf.
Maybe i-turf vele it is maybe sesikayelele ebo dressing room into ezinjengazona lezo because i-turf ngabona i-turf khathesi sisharp sishoda ukuthi iqunywe i-maintain kuphela.
Hayi utsho mna azawubona enye ividiyo besithi u-engineer uminister Sanyathi ese-ground kulo munye u-engineer ode batshengise sithi bazayikhipha beyileke kutsho
futhi
ngoba leyana bengani bathi bazayiquphuna beyileke kutsho awuzwa uminister ebuza ukuthi i-generator lapha ya akusadlalwa mdala. Minister of sports basifakele former general manje umdala
but umdala ungani
serious ngomsebenzi. Serious
umdala
ngomsebenzi.
ufuna ukuthi into zibe right.
Vele ufuna into zonke zihambe ngenjani ngelayini. Which is good by the way.
Kakhulu for i-sport be. Kuyaso i-sport sebesithatha serious ukhanda umsebenzi aso just for fun.
Very much serious. Ngibone le izifa Southern region la anti kule moto le kalokhuzeni eyangena kuMagwizi le ibonile kwaSthu. It's more than just a game.
It's more than just a game.
Ngibone le zifa Southern region ngapha la sebecha which means it's good ukuthi ungabona izifa enkulu lamazifa la ama-region elandela i-vision yezifa
ephezulu.
Ibhora selingaheda into the right direction.
Khathesi sokulokhu kubambana kwamazifa kusela le uthi le idonsa yodwa enye idonsa yodwa and lama-sponsor I think aba maningi.
Ibhora lethu
njengesebebona i-order ukuthi sonke into we are one. I think it's good for football
kakhulu. Ibhora lethu i-direction uyabusuyibona la ukuthi sisuka ngaphi sisiya. Then if we are happy nje ngezifa sonke mina yazi umuntu angapromise nje mfuna ukuthi into zakhe azikhulumayo adeliver azini of which unqobile Magwizi yende obviously angeke satisfy sonke the team yakhe angeke bese
ama-basics.
Yes, as long as simbona they are making good strides umsebenzi bewuyenza kukhanya ukuthi no uchomlo into abafuna ukuyenza yile ibhora seli-improve lapha la into esisele khathesi ukuthi bring ama-national teams home adlalele ekhaya ama-stadiums singalungisa ama-stadiums
vele sesiqedile
sesikwazi ibhora akusela team eza kuthi CAF yephandle ama-team CAF edlalele ngikhaya national team siyibone next thing kungabi le-national sports kuphela sibe ama-ground amaningi eBulawayo kube le stadium esi-FIFA approved Khwekho kube le stadium esi-FIFA approved ukuthi national team yakwanisa ukudlalela anyway not ukuthi
Yabona,
idlalele eHarare kuphela.
not ukuthi sithi national team ile uyoyibukela eHarare,
Hayi.
yayibuye la eBulawayo.
We understand?
Khona amafana abakhulayo la bebele kuyildatho ukuthi but ngiyibukelile mina
Follows nje.
uyabona eFolosi la
Kube le
omunye umuntu
stadium
ethi
FIFA approved
Exactly,
wange stadium kungabe ithiwa national team yabe based
elo hayi
eHarare.
vele akufuni
akufuni njalo so yingqobe lode ngikuthi ukuthi izifa umsebenzi siyawubona but basaselo umsebenzi omkhulu umsebenzi sasemningi
at least uyabona ukuthi bahamba step by step lokuzela i-national sports focus sibuye eBulawayo belungisa i-stadium esi-approved
Zimba
suke
yonke.
futhi siye ngaphi nje yabona ukuthi siyabe sesi-right so
we're heading the right direction. Then coming back to Division 1 football chopla barobubu bayenza happy nje akutshele hayi yenza happy akutshele baba lezana ama-team
abadliwa
lezana ama-team so izifa Southern Region yabo Bulawayo Chiefs abantwana besikolo phela kaze balokunye ke bese ukhore bese kuchayelwa ukuthi lezi yaza bezigeleza ukuthi abana besigela lawa bedisc tasuka Jason hayi laba le class 6 point
kanti umuntu one-degree kodwa
utho hayi zaloko babhuku thina singabedisc sifuna ibolisa into zabedisc hayi Chiefs is doing well hayi is doing well 5 games 5 wins 5 clean sheets 13 goals scored it's nice it's nice ngibona le wangela even if 5 points behind but
sibuya
sebephika ani bawinile nge-weekend
bawinile
then we also saw inkayi isidla iKezimine eLuveve I think yaqina 2-1 2-0 yaqina 2-0 game la. Then we saw i-Ajax Spurs losing to Bulawayo Warriors la same scoreline 2-0. Then umkhokheli la ngalo Zebra Revolution wadliwa. Ngasicheka nje look yabona something beautiful is happening ku Southern Region. Even ama-team amaningi ngako Bulawayo sengikhulekela nje ukuthi phezulu i-chicken i-maintain iBulawayo Chiefs ingene next season same things ngaba le 3 teams ku Premier League kungene eyinye futhi hayi not iwanki ke bukhashana kobulawayo ngaba la team 4-5 owange sebengangena
like last season nanjana bekule 4
from there owange sebengangena
sokuba yi5
ngesizwathi region yethu
so right
then ngapha ku Central Region okule iGwanda Pirates layo ingathi
ngazama ukungena
manje hey Central Region nje kudlalela ubona ama results e-weekend Central Region iTongo Garidlo iChapunga bayichayisele
zamasoja Chapungula ngani serious
ibizo leli ama 2000 ambonde balazi iChapunga
hayi Chapunga abalazi
uthi bekuyiteam ehlupha
bakwazi
yabo ma Rhino
bayifice struggle ngangeni but hale yayihlupha
iChapunga
awukwazi egwiri asikoti vele iChapunga vele awuphunywa nomarufu
sebekwazi ithelwa
sebekwazi ithelwa
ama-team
awudala ukuthi abengafuni uku-improve ndoda afuna ukulokhu yenza into zawudala ndoda manje akusavumi
then ku-Central Region yazimboneni ishesha amandla ayiphumile ngenye yenza njengani although bona bahlohliwe ka2
ngenye serious
uphenduka fast layo 5 wins nge-weekend icha igogwe not 3
la serious
ungozo udrawile
away from home
le Westnik but check Westnik ngegwanda mina kwapha phambi kwegwanda kancane so
bekuyidebi
ungaychecka but that, for the first time ngawukhayela lokhu it's not bad baku number 5
yona abona vele is not bad for the uyabona vela division 2 esizinto abawazi uyabona imanje basajwayeli imbaro 'cause kunzima ukuthi from division 2 lihle liqalise ukucruiser.
It's not easy.
Kunzima nje, it's not easy.
Mm.
'Cause wena ungakhangela bona as it is abakwazi ukuthi uma siyadlala bo-Western bona laba bantu kumele senze njani ama-away, uyabona into ezinjenga zona so khathesi it's a learning curve.
Season le, or i-first
Uyabo,
half of the
i-first
season.
half of the season, second half
But
sebeqalisa la.
Ungozo is
Ah,
an
he's doing
experienced coach with Division 1.
He's doing well.
It shows even ama results. Mbona
Eh.
ubro wakho Danny Deco Phiri,
And-
former soccer star of the year, 2015
And-
soccer
and
star of the year.
obabambili
Senguye osebambe i-midfield eGwanda pha. Lo Jostan
awujosta kasekho.
kasekho injabo.
Angazi.
Phana ngizotho uJosta lesekhona.
wayitrainer khona ngani. Angazi joyechila.
So that's it for Central region, where we see Ishesham topping that look with 15 points, followed by Yadrok. Izotha Yadrok ngenye financially
Very strong
Lokubona,
laba fongena
i-stadium lesi siyakhwa eQuick ngesabo.
umnikazi westadium nguye
Umnikazi
umnikazi.
uyaDrop.
Eh.
Hey, ngenye team engane
Ngiyafiwa nje.
serious. So between Ishesham leYadrok ngoba sishene nge 2
2
points.
points kule game awule game enzima.
Then ama under 19 ePlatinum.
Yeah, labana abahlu.
Bakhona ku 2-4. But laba abantu
Labana
babedlalela
badlalela ugruma ukuthi be
for i-first team. Which is good.
Which is good kakhulu. Uyawubona abale strong side phansi.
And
Uyawubona ule
so we won't be surprised ukubona another youngster coming up because they have the experience with Division 1.
Uyabona.
Then looking at Northern region, itwa ingombe ya Ruwa le ka Scott le.
Remember Mombe ya ora.
Imombe.
Mombe.
Kado ngitsala ngibiza wrong ala ibizo leli nje. Ngombe ngombe ya Wora.
Mombe ya ora.
AwuScott la wenzele kuye. Libizo bani? But like ngani ufuna ukuthi team yakhe ibe yifit and
I'm not sure ukuthi exactly
Uzamani.
ufuna ukwenzani. 'Cause
Ufuna ingene.
kulabantu ama experienced players so abungakwazi uyena ufuna ukuthi uhambe njani lapha.
ngoba
Ufuna ukungena, ufuna ukungenzani.
bajwayele ithiwa i-Ali Sundowns.
Le ngani le ngenye i-team e-serious.
I-Ali Sundowns.
Ngani kule order i-Ali
But kulokhu
Sundowns.
ikhatshana number 12.
But yona i-order nje.
But
general.
ungachecka vele i-Northern region.
Region, ama-team amaningi.
Division 1. Ngani it's a well sponsored league.
Plus ama-team angikhona amaningi ngani proper.
Northern region.
Kulabo Golden Eagles, kulabo mana nje bona ama-team abo Mike Madoda leya.
Labo
Golden Eagles.
Black Rhinos, i-Harare City
Ashabona.
i-Harare City
i-Harare
ngeke ngayibona.
layo.
Angani
Uyabona.
kunama-changes abayenzayo.
Ukremboni amaningi ama-team angikhona.
Labo Chegudu Pirates. I-Chegudu Pirates la nje relegate wehle idlala ku-Northern.
Yona vele unodeni.
Nxa uchecka ilokhuzeni idliwe futhi iChegudu Pirates i-Trojan.
Trojan.
I-Trojan la ngeke ngizwa ngani
Ubambo ngani kunzima.
but azinto engiyithandayo kule Nkezi amanda 19
Amanda
Nkezi
19 Nkezi.
akhona no Division 1 amanda 19 Emozi
Emozi
akhona. Then uScott
Scott
kule team
ule team
khopa ku Division Harare City le team so
Rhinos
it's very competitive.
kunzima kuzo Rhinos kumele bephenduke phela
Exactly.
akudala baphuma
Awudala baba.
Antu uyabona
Awudala.
kwaba ama-team amakhulu Rhinos
Big team.
big team
Big
vele,
team.
uyabo
Team yayifita nje nehla complete Nations Cup le number nga 2004 eTunisia. I-Rhinos yet about 3-4 players.
antu uyabona it's a big team.
Yeah,
It's a very big team.
it's a big team. Phezulu kulokha
Eh.
ingombe ya Roa ibambene le Zambezi. Zambezi GNC football zonke zile 12 points. Then izilandela iChino ile Agama FC ibizo leli ngiyalizwa.
Lami agama ngiyayibona ngenye engani ifuna ukungena.
Well sponsored.
Well sponsored.
Northern regions kuyafiwa nje.
Ngaleyo ngani ordinary.
Too
Ama-team angikhona wonke mfutha le mali.
Then so kuya le eyangapha ekeyahlupha i-Eastern region. Eastern region yazi yele ka wangumazotsi. So phelele asethuli wangu nje.
Don't coach coach.
Wangu sethuli the team yakhe is not doing so well.
But this is ngani sibamba bamba.
Number 6
Ibidliwa
it's still early
It's
but
still early.
ungacalculate ukuthi i-FC Hunters ayikadliwa is leading that one with 18 points. It already tells you a story.
10x yalandela.
Yiwo ama-team ku-Eastern odengani abangumsindi i-10x
I-10X
wanguMazotsi.
uMazotsi,
But ungathi uya-check-a, they are not i-10x yiyo engani ingcono ngoba i-number 2 yabo.
Plus le game iningi i-10x.
So it only played 5.
There's some inconsistency engiyibona nge-Eastern region. Uthi kulama teams asedlala 6 amanye
Amanye
ngikhona edlala 4
4, amanye
3.
Ama-game
Akukho
manene.
yeah, I think kumele kuregulate kahle khona
I
lapho.
think very yona i-Eastern region as a league, there's something that's not right.
Yeah.
Ngoba unga-check-a athi sike sakhuluma nge-Central,
Yes.
ngani it's flowing
I
nice.
think i-Eastern region bathi beqalisa bona baqalisa nge-cup, ezinye zahle zaqalisa nge-league.
League.
So yikho kahle kwaba nama-game iningi because I think kwakulenye kuthiwa yi-Chairman's Cup kumbe kwakuyini new sponsor wathi into yangikhona. So amanye yahle aqalisa i-league vele, amanye kanjani asemeleli ukuthi azadlala ama-game iningi ndawo.
That's what Wanele is saying ukuthi abayenze
So kumele bedlala
ama-game kulingana. Because akuyenzi amanye idlala i-3 amanye
amanye
idlala
wesithi siyaqalisa
i-4 yabo.
kuthiwa sokuyi-advantage kwabanye.
Kuyabe kusasa early. Kumele belungisise khona bawo. Kumele belungisise sibili kuhle kucaca ukuthi hayi
Lazile ama-team amalutshwane ngibona kule 16.
le 16 teams.
So le yapha ngizongena.
Kuyangeneka basiya.
Ngapha phela.
Kuyangeneka basiya.
Ngapha kuyangeneka basiya.
Sesiya kwezinkulu. The Premier Soccer League, the Castle Lager Premier. Ungathi uCastle lona uzophambanisa.
Usuphambanisile.
Ama-sponsor nje.
Yiwo phela abantu abayenza uyenza.
Kepha lo uchipe naye.
Hayi vele uyenza. Uthi uqalisa uchipe naye.
So it's the Zimbabwe Castle Premier Soccer League in that order.
Isaturday bekunzima nje. Ungabambeki.
Athi wena ongekho lokwathi sasipredict ukuthi amaningi azaba ama-draw. And Saturdays zonke. Awona nje one yawina. I-league le vele is tough.
Ngiyafiwa.
It's tough. So ukwazi to behind the scenes khona abo usishayele nje ama-teams adlale Saturday.
Njengoba utshilo ukuthi Saturday bekugcwele ama-draws. The first draw engilayo lapha it was Moz versus Telwan. Igame le ngichazile kakhulu.
And apparently ibe nomsindo.
Lo msindo
Telwan
iphuma la se-ground.
iTelwan ilidile phela 2-0.
2-0.
Yeah.
Because iTelwan ibilida 2-0 baphinda baphiwa le penalty.
iTelwan.
Yeah.
Unfortunately washo wayikhulu.
Wayikhutha penalty.
Wash it to the extent ejeke awash.
Awuthena vele penalty vele ngane kachayi. Lapha nobese force ukuthi le to go score.
Increase i-goal tally.
Yabo.
Ngoba ngumsindo ama red card ayi2.
Ayi2 kawana.
Yeah, it was
Vele bewusokuthena ama red card la.
Game the controversy.
Yahlupha igame.
Yes, Mozi yadlala, understand. But ungabona itsidliwa 2-1.
2.
Ibe la red card
ayi2.
there's something
it calls for scrutiny. Yeah.
Yabo?
Yafiwa nje. Because kuyahlupha yabona nti nxa li away team lifike home lilide 2. Then bese kusiba lama red card.
Kube nomsindo igame imiswe.
Which means uref failed to handle that game.
Clean fail.
Because amagoals eTelwan ama-genuine goals. Uyabo. But usuzibuza ama red card manje bese kutheni?
Wesi 2.
Uyabona
Apha
vele
belida
2-0. Sibona selipela 2-2. Uyabona nti vele
Something
problem. So kule problem.
Yeah.
But we saw them coming back. Obvious, very they to come back. So we 9 men.
So we 9 men ndoda. Wesili home very.
There was something that caught my eye. Egemini nale. Umfana kaMtasa. Andlela iTelwan. Upanashe Mtasa. Udlela iTelwan. So i2-1 ucoach wabemjikeni. Coach weTelwan ayizwana. Ambeqedisa i-team kaDuku.
Abomlalo baba kale.
Abebulala ukudala. Unfortunately ngoba yi-2-2.
2-2.
Yeah.
We saw Imo's drawing that one the Engoni Stadium.
And then the other match that played at Kipo Stadium was Pikita Minerals playing against Yata, another draw, 1-1.
1-1.
Yes.
This one that we called for it, but we'll say it
Pikita
Pikita win or draw for
Pikita.
Pikita.
And then at Greenfield Arena, Greenfield was entertaining Manika Diamonds, another draw, 0-0. At Baba Stadium, Ngezi Platinum Stars was taking on ZPC Karipa, 2-2.
They will
Another
say
red card.
ngoba le red card ke
Red card.
and kwalo sasithi
Why
Ngezi ya
leader
win.
2-1?
Yeah, lapha sasibona
Yaba le
Ngezi
red
wina
card.
la.
Ngezi yona bale red.
Yaba le red card very after him. So 43 minutes.
Kwenzakana nama red cards.
Ama
Iviki ngani bila ama red
we see who
Or refa generous lapha.
we 3 red card.
And then the final match that played on Saturday was at Rufaro, Caps United taking on Herentals College, and it draw was 1-1.
Ian Pakala's first game. And but nebe sebesithi head coach. Apparently befuna lwana wengezi.
Bebefuna lwana wengezi. Manje lwana wengezi ungani ule contract ngale. So bekungayenzi vele ukuthi
buy him out. Sesike sakubona kanenge. Bayihluleka imbabala Mkhweri.
Mkhweri.
Ukuthi
bezibakwa kuthekwa.
Awucoach Nceli Mfuni leJeli yamkhiyela. Nceli Mfuni ayu buy him out.
Abantu vele yani bi
wabona iChelsea athi yathenga lokuzeni ku Brighton.
But vele apana bekuyilokuzeni beku obvious ukuthi uBakala for all the way from Zambia ube ngu-assistant.
Kade uyade ukukhanya vele
But
ukuthi
uzaspana sharp lo technical director.
Badlala
bonke phela.
abadlala bonke.
So kwesikhathi nxa adlala lonke ngathi yabukulela lokhuyana.
Omunye bebimali alikazwanani kuyedifwa but wezona uyabubuyile wafika waqeda ngedraw tshokani into sezihamba but
ene balida futhi.
babalite but manje lithi yankhona yaba maybe nge-3 minutes.
Balida ilokhuzeli yabuya from behind. Wabuya Rentals la bele dlala nzima ubhenza sephumile umdala.
Abadlali nje wonke wahlala 60 something maybe bahle bamkhipha umdala wahle wangena.
iRentals i-team engikwazi ukuthi second half uyayidla nzima.
Nawe vele lo ngayikhutha kubo 2-0 first half.
Uyayidla
Vele awusayizi.
Second half vele babebuya.
Basebebuya.
That was I think those were match day event games
Saturday. Yes. So moving on to our matches that we played on Sunday.
Yesterday,
yes. We Kwekwe played against Chicken Inn, and the Ikwekwe lost by 4-2. So
2-4.
2-4. The Chicken Inn first win.
Check. Look, Ikwekwe ibilida
2-0 first half.
Besikade anazabona songani sokungcono financial ama problem.
But
kule issue lana kodwa njele yona offset.
coach baba report.
Ngakubona uyinto kwakhona bana
ukit manager wahle wathatha lamabhora akhe lekit wahamba. Bathana bengena amabhora.
Itiyakhuluya esasiyisole ekhuluya uToaster Okwash esithi bhora eZimbabwe kade amaskiti.
Lidziwa ndoda. Kuyafika nje. Imagine lo kit manager ethe thathe konke.
Ngoba bese camp bese report emapholiseni.
Wawubona ngawe ukuthi uyazi team ndoda.
Tuyathengiswa bakhe.
Uyisithi thiwa kuthengisa igame ndoda. Kit manager wahlathi holi to njalo bahle khambe letho zami mina. Hayi wena Zimbabwe la kwenzilo kuye.
But back to
too much ama scandal ndoda kweke ngayisi njalo.
Back to the field of play. Belithe 2-0. Ndikuhome.
But vele uhlubone ngama problems ave ukuthi akusoke kuvumi.
But besiyazi Ikwekwe ukuthi home ibingani idlala
Ikwekwe yena ezithi nganguthe Ikwekwe ayikho bad.
As a team
sibili they are not paid. Uyabona?
But my experienced players.
Kakhulu. Uyabona abakho paid.
Ama season contenders.
Ukuthi na vele homa nyedi kanjani. Ndibahle into
Mambare Jackson Mambare kunendlela ibhora.
oDennis Dauda, Okaodzi kwa January baningi vele. Uyabona experience ni uyabona? Because imagine nxa bayalida against Chicken in 2-0. Uyabona? Then second half well played Chicken in second half.
Lapha
4
Anti sakhuluma lamasapoti ngaleli vivi. Babethe vele engadliwa ucoach engachayi phansi.
Hayi labantu behamba lama.
Ngoba kuyabe kungayini. Wesikhwekho.
Indoda thunoti kyoko ndo.
Ambona umfana lo nomakopa ba
Kuze ungadlali ngokuthi I think maybe 4 ndo.
uhlehla 4.
A1.
A1.
Sikwazi bomesi.
Mbona ucoach alo zibili othi aphamba mara something. Awuservice part. Ngoba labantu isipano sabe sezuma nje.
Sabe sesahamba ndo.
Isikoropo siyawuma. Njengoba ukhwekhe 2 team entenga.
Njenga lama story wa.
Akuvumi.
Akuvumi.
Another match that played yesterday was Scotland taking on Simba Bora, and Scotland won by 2-0.
I think that this was a game of the
weekend. Yeah. Another game of the weekend. This one was in another.
Bezi 2.
Yeah.
Platinum there ile.
Ngoba le vele beku top of the table clash. Top 3 teams bekufiwa nje.
And this time around the Scotland they came through. Yeah. Bakwenza into kwabo.
73 wins in a row.
They're doing well.
Ngizo coach sithi it's not easy. Like I understand. Eboreni it's not easy. Team si assemble 11 games ago, of which utshengisela i-team yonke as a whole, because we all know ukuthi bathenga more than 20 players to assemble a new team. Iqalisa ukujela.
It's not easy.
It takes time. Because ucheck even uLinoti mbona abantu behleka uLinoti ukuthi kakahlohli in 11 games.
Vele la nje une environment. Uyabona ukuthi mawuchayisana labantu alikajayelani alikayenzini because sithi ingane ukhama nawo ule 1 game ule 1 goal uyabona but still beselamane
and bona be3 umfana kaloku uzile Msona
nje wona maybe umulta kala 2 goals
Walter Msona bonke boyi3 khama Walter lo Linoti in that order ama-soccer stars first run up second run up
abakajeli kuhle i-rhythm abakayinjani.
So vele uthenga ama-Galacticos they say eSpain ama-big names wahlanganise. I think ucoach alo right.
Right kakhulu because vele jawo asomanukizwa ukuthi ukubona
but will Scott give him time on the right.
Uya vele siyabe dangerous.
Will he give him time? Ukuthi because abefuna ama results because ngabantu abathengayo le mali ayiphampa eklabini obviously befuna but ngabe dli Scott ngolibro wakhe phela uSimba Zimbinga vele Zimbinga zethu
game embi
I think he's happy
obviously he's happy for that spell he's happy
ngoba mdala uyilani besho ukuthi odliwayo la
ngoba yafana le Simba la ithenge kathesi abantu
le Simba same scenario
ofichi
othi sikhuluma ukuthi uJoel they must give him time
uyabona abamniki time la uyalokhu uyajela until i-team sifind i-good rhythm yabe sewin yawo.
Unfortunately nje Bora is a game ukuthi ama results abefunakala but ucoach vele give him time maybe in the first half of the season team inje then second half of the season so ungaqalisa ukucheck ukuthi
but indoda wena khathi awufa yabo kade manje Bora la patience ezinjalo.
Speaking about i-patience ama-support Dynamos man sengwazwela
lokho na is painful.
Mina sengwazwela on a serious
note very akusayenzi.
Mina sengwazwela
because first yabeli bahleka but ubone realize ukuthi but why Pete Dynamos aso team encane ukuthi struggle to get 3 points. Pete Dynamos ile 2 goals
11 games 11 games and bench indabo balo season campaign nje umuntu wayiblind uMaru manager uGidiza umaplan ukhona
vele lapha kunzima
akhumbula first episode Pass and Moves ngikhuluma ngithi umfana lona uJalai lo ungamangali ngehalf season echiya
kuna yawonthi la ube lo umnyama umfana ukuthi ucaptain i-team estruggle iDynamos le-struggle officially ucina la uzibuthi but ngenze njani
khona kube funakala kubo Scotland wasisithi for the love of an i-team
uyabona ngcono njani
esikhomeni bazamzama ukuthi maintain la number ku national team
Team,
bebe
uyabona.
thola game time but
Cause,
xa team idlala so
eish.
because you saw them
Cause-
losing 2-0 to triangle
Phela wena wesi ngufoma coach.
and we said it
ubhuti wayikhuluma into le wathi
Mm.
kuzaba nzima
Eh.
vele.
athi ugenesis ukuthi
Edliwe
edliwe Dynamos
Dynamos.
le ndlela yasuka ngayo
Ngayo.
akuyaba nzima
Eh.
but into esengiyizwela nje on a serious note ama-fans eDynamos
Ama-fans ekhalile.
ngoba
nje.
Jackie from 7 million loke
Esewuyiseveni.
last week babeyi-70
Kare sebeyiseveni. Are sebeyiseveni. Next game yabe Ruparo wesiyidebi. Babeyiseveni.
bazaphonga ubuya but for the fact ukuthi
Manje bokuthi vile yani i-one ngazama ukuthi betshintshe something.
akutshintsheki uyatshintshana because ebhoreni nje I believe ukuthi ungaze utshintsheni ama-player usuthengile
Uyabona ukuthi sometimes kwesinye isikhathi uyabona ibhora lifane ngani khayela i-triangle batshintshe ucoach
ucoach
now sebedobha
sebedropa welo.
uyabona
Yeah.
i-KFC la isitshintshe ucoach sokule yinye i-dimension eyabe isintsha nje even ule same players wona la uyabona kuyabe sokutshintsha so labo maybe kathesi njengoba wawungani uSoldier Minuka sesiyakhona ngale so ngathi iviki le vele maybe uSoli sengagcina senjani
umabhlanyo sengahlala phansi
uyabona something can change kwama
ukuthi bengaboost imorale to the guys
yayebuye lama-tactics akhe into zitshintshe
ama-player lana ku-Dynamos unga-check-a bekhuluma nje bale 2 goals asoma-player lawana because balahlekelwe ngama-player serious players
awuvyazi
Ahambe
time nje Dynamos
Ayifuni- i-Dynamos vale ayilenda akufuni just any player
just any player
ufuna iplayer le-hard
uyabona
le-love
because sithi zanyanti babe balutshwane ujalayo babe le experience
You understand?
onyawa balutshwane vile
Exactly.
uyabona because sithi phela ama-chips are down la sokufunakala amadoda la
the
Ukuthi
Dynamos
i-Dynamos
might be
ukuthi-
relegated
ndoda
if they continue in this state
ndoda
they can easily be relegated
bahamba
iyakwanisa uba yizimbabwe
so
city
11 games ndoda
iyakwanisa uba yizimbabwe city
siyagcina sesikhala ukuthi i-Dynamos
kwakule Dynamos into engikhala ngayo
ngcono
Ngcono-
somele bebona iplani ndoda
ngcono ibidlalela lapha ngabe kuthiwa baku-mid-table lan hayi
sesikwazi ukuthi hayi
ikhona iyakwanisa ukuphika
uyabona
but language ngethi bottom ichawa izo zonke ayihlohli
ndoda
away liyabulawa, home
libulawe home manje anjengoni labana wabongcono i-draw uyabona into yabe isithi i-draw ingcono lingaphela 0-0 i-hope ikhona but manje maliluza vele le hope akuseya
mdala
le hope akuseya
11 games iDynamos ibe 8 points
ndoda mina 11 points angikona i-8 points walezi ephansi kwayo kwambanele 7 nani
uthi ngawina
ingawina wena sisiyaphezulu so vele
kunzima kuDynamos kunzima
I
bafethu
think imele bebona iplan
tiri
I think
ukukumbira ama-support eDynamos
i-Jay
kudzokerayo ku-stadium hayi dzokerayo mo-support team yenu
manje uyabona ukuthi inkinga la ekhona bona ama-supporter wona abangasangasakufuni ngama-owners i-owner vele yiyo abathi njani ibabisele emuva
ngcono
bona
iDynamos
kuye
ibuyele
ground
ebantwini
vele abafuni
but nje ungachecka kobulawayo mfufana because iDynamos liyalinda vele is almost
most
kobulawayo kube kwaba lama-team a-serious kwaba lemazulu ama-support ayalinda the state loyal to Highlanders kwaba le-Restars the state loyal kwabuya iBantu the state loyal kwabuya ibulawayo Chiefs the state loyal kwabuya i-Chicken Inn
lokhu ikhona but
Highlanders ama-supporter it's not like Highlanders was doing good
no
because la isinesikhathi ingathathi league you understand but ama-supporters
That's
they've
still
stayed
loyal.
well then usiya ucrosser we-capital city iDynamos kubuyo Scotland kubuyo Mozi ama-supporter wonke seyagcwala ema-team kuyini
mina I think eHarare into yaphambanisa njengoba ukuthi is divided andule Dynamos kule Caps uyabona you ama
But the
big
two,
teams
the
the
supporters,
two balama supporters
Rufaro
bagcwala
bagcwalisa east.
beyi-2 vele uyabuka ukuthi derby ndoda vele Rufaro yabithe
Eh.
uyabona then kwasekusiba lalawa manje
Ayimbinga.
asebuya wembinga lawa manje
Odinga babezimbinga nje ama-support e-Highland ahamba.
ahamba ukuthi i-difference yona leyo ukuthi i-Highlanders is not just about i-football only, uyabona. I-Highlander
It's bigger than football.
is bigger than football.
It's
It's more than
tradition.
just
It's
tradition,
culture.
it's culture, uyabona.
But
I-Highlander
with
vele is
Dynamos,
culture.
Dynamos, we thought it was like that.
Yiyo thina manje but ithiwa yini i-Highlander vele i-Highlander is something than emotional eblawayo, uyabona. If you talk about Highlanders vele usukhuluma ngento emotional.
Ungathi Bulawayo is
Ukhuluma
Highlanders.
i-Highlanders, uyabona. But manje ungathi Harare usukhuluma into eziningi. Usukhuluma ithiwa yini anjalo labo Black Rhinos, usukhuluma ithiwa yini Dynamos, usukhuluma i-Caps, usukhuluma into eziningi. But manje ungathi Highlanders antsho uyabona.
Ungeze baseduze bona.
Uyabona
But nje why can't they be loyal to i-team yabevini idliwa?
Wena
Because they're boasting about i-7 million. Ukuthi was supported very ilizwe lonke.
uyabona labana i-team yabo bayithanda nje. Bayithanda.
You think so?
Abayithanda lokwana ukuthi but if
Into ethandayo nje ivini sebunzimeni uyafanayo.
inkinga yabo bona bafa the team yabantu but bona bangani ngabantu labana abaprotestayo labantu ukuthi but njani phezulu yini eselinjani eselisilahlisa.
Nje kodwa ku-Highland wasaba protester. Sesiwabalile wonke ama-team, sesibale yonke into.
Izinto ithini i-Highlander ndoda is culture ndoda.
Abantu ababalekanga.
Culture
Dliwa ndoda ibula.
ndoda
They last
vele-
won the league in 2006.
But
Ngomethe.
very
But
i-Highlander-
khangela it's 2025. They are still filling up stadium. Away.
Loba kunjani nje abantu labana into esenhlizweni leyani yokuthi vele hayi
I said to Dynamos.
Dynamos kunzima, Dynamos kunzima asazi but they have to start winning.
Mina ngiyakumbira nje.
They have to
Andiri
start
ukumbira
winning.
uma-support e-Dynamos. Tokera stadium. Support
They
i-team.
have to
We still need
turn
Dynamos.
around.
We still need
Ah,
Dynamos.
kakhulu. Because Dynamos ingaphuma hayi alisekho mnandi.
I-rivalry lana.
I-rivalry yanyoni Zimbabwe derby
You understand?
lana akusela nje.
So last game of yesterday, match day 11, we saw Highlanders Football Club, the Platinum Stars drawing 1-1 BF.
Ibinjani game?
Mdala, what I would like to say, ngegame lana, Highlanders has really improved.
Yeah.
From what we thought isizini iqalisa, kind is doing ngabafana laba something is cooking. Is cooking and into esingashoda but even sithe sikhuluma lama supporter amanye understand but amanye yabona ukuthi i supporter but those abangani ibhora bale understand as even they are seeing ukuthi no we have a team abafana laba basesebancane and basazama ukujela as a team. Uyabubona ama mistake abayenza ukuthi abanye abakabi ngama-season campaigners but bona as a team man kind is doing something. Highlanders is coming up proper because uMapeza, you know ama-team kaMapeza.
Mina I think yabona ama-supporters e-Highlander i-patience labo sebefuna something.
Yeah, isikhathi esiside.
Isikhathi esiside. Uyabona ukuthi ungabona lidlala like i-team enjenge-Highlander. It's a big team mayingela uyabona ukuthi laphana labe lidlalela ukuthi abantu sebefuna labo icup bephakamise ndoda. Imagine ndoda kunina abantu dala bagcina nje iglory yona
2006
imamkhatshana nje uyabona. So yikho amanye abengela patience yokuthi abafana bayenza so i-drone lana bekhangela ilokhu bekhangela o-Scotland ukuthi bayawina bekhangela uyabona oMosi bayenza njani.
But kuningi e-Highland anti awonti even ama-finances even ama-sponsor yebo ekhona but aso finance liyana ukuthi ungayicompare labo Scotland yabo but yona i-team enkulu we know kuningi abangakuyenza to make i-Highlanders bigger ikwazi u-attract ama-players ama-blind ezimba
kakhulu
but ngabafana labana bakhona because mina bengacabangela ukuthi i-Highlanders could be playing like that.
That's true.
Ungachecka i-passion yabi labo Arthur oMelikhaya u-Reason lo maninja lapha phambili although bekhuthakhutha
obviously
because abakabi ngama-season campaigners
plus
baqase kathesi yabo. So if they can give them time I think they will very much improve ngoba ibhora sebelidlala khathesi
sokukhanya
so
manje
ukhanya ukuthi uKhayinde uzamani.
ese-BF kunzima hayi ukuthi
It's
iphupho
not
ufika
easy to
kwi-
play
match.
and to win, but
Plus
i-platinum manje,
structure manje.
i-platinum ukucontrol i-tempo ye-game
Yabo hayi into
even
zabo
when
lezo. Hayi into
even
zabo.
when they were 1-0 down because eyayilendele
Eh.
tendency leyo ukuhlohla early.
Early,
Hayi le nto
engathi
yahlohla
yes.
masinya
Eh.
early. Ayo badlalile ibhora i-first goal.
Eh,
A beautiful move Jay. Kwabe kusiyachaya ishoti umshori
uMaswena. Eh.
omkhulu I think
Eh,
umncane lo.
omncane ongoye.
Omncane ngowehludlile awuchaya ishoti ndoda.
Waya.
Waya. But i-platinum abatshintshi Jay.
Abatshintshi type of vila kufu.
Abatshintshi very type of play
Mm.
and umbo
Eh,
I played higher. Umbongeni I played abakhalile abantu bathi kanti lo mindirile mdala.
bewuhanje.
Hayi nangazi platinum wayengadluli.
Hayi platinum vele.
Ibhora menza izinto. Ibhora Jay 1-2.
Abona bayapasana, hayi bona bayapasana vele bekwasiza manje.
Uthi umenze utshelwe hayi awubekhula
hayi
nje.
ndoda abantu lana baligcina ibhora ndoda
Hayi lana balincika.
abantu bebesenzana yalenjazi bisithi ngabale ibhora so beba-pressurize so belahla antshawona u-Arthur vele engakhava ngala ngapha sephampa engaphampa ndoda umbola eli-chest elihlalise phansi qalise lo keeper beyise ngale ayilenjazi ilandele beyise ngaye ilandele ndoda bethe berelaxile bethi enkameni wankona bechibili kanjani esilisiwingini ngale ndoda beqalise from emuva ndoda beze beyokhutha ukeeper ndoda
Vesisi vele platinum leyo likwazi ukuthi hayi. Vele because i-platinum yona babelieve ngakhona khona ukuthi ibhora lilahle.
Abalahla ibhora.
Whether ngaze libahlohle ngaze liyenzeni nela belikwazi ukuthi idelwa lela imali siyadlala iplatinum
Liyachase.
umsebenzi.
Abachesile
Uyabo because yona iyalenda yikho ngikutsho iyalenda bona yilabana bokuthi bengathola igobhora sebefuna ukuthi belivale bona abafuna kunjani ube beligcina lirotate manje iplatinum bona okwabo kunjani alirotate igobhora izanjani izabuya
I think so far I think i-platinum lemons.
hayi lemozi hayi mozi kuyafika
Platinum lemons
hayi
in terms of
i-type of
play. Those two
bonke babelieve ngokuli njani
ukulidlala. Those two kuyafeel. It was a good game to watch. It was a good game to watch. It was unfortunate nje ube draw. But in the eye we enjoyed total football. We enjoyed. I'm happy was seeing it type of play so ku-PSL of which ama-team wonke we expect ukuthi ngabadlala
njalo but amapesa vele
as long as we enjoy it.
as long mapesa vele likwazi ukuthi it's a good game.
So looking at the log standings from the matches that have been played over the weekend, match day 11, Imo's still maintained on top, but the Cape sivalekile.
Mbona ilo isihambile
Scotland sivalekile, so 1 point. Followed by so it's Mo's Scotland, Simba Bora 19 points, Scotland 22. Then Mo's is on top with 23 points. Then Islanders is number 4, 18 points. Now it's a 5 points gap. If they can maintain
iform abalayo le
i-form yabo le maybe bengakwanisa ukuthi benjani bevalike ngoba abadliwe
abona abadliwe.
That's the top 4. Then i-bottom 4 yethu with Iata number 15, sibele Dynamos number 16, sibele Triangle number 17. Then last but not least sibele Kwekwe. iKwekwe yele 7 points yethwele zonke zonke from Iata le 9 i-Dynamos the Triangle the 8. Khanyela ilokhu nje i-draw i-Capes la ile 9 points but i-goal difference iphumile ku-relegation zone nge-1 point but it's still tricky up to number 12 ku-Chicken because bale 12 points yabo so lezi zingawina ziyakwazi ukuvala igap Chicken is not consistent
edliwayo vele isisiya phansi
yabo
enye wina isibaqansi
so that's the log standing angazi uma-top goal scorers laba kwasawona ama-top goal scorers
Unavalo is still there
And I think ube player of the month futhi. Ucoach ube
ucoach ube ngumtasa.
Coach of the month ube ngumtasa.
Ube ngumtasa.
Then let's look at match day 12. I'm fixtures of match day 12 that are coming up on from Saturday, the 17th of May, Pelang Sunday, the 18th of May. So we've got most games playing on Saturday, and the only game on Sunday will game one. That is the Dynamos, the Capes.
The Capes.
Sunday, the 18th of May, Rufaro with 3. But the rest of the
Capes Saturday.
The game will be played on.
Will I meet you for that?
No.
I would have met you. I would have met you. Won't get Saturday, 17.
Alright.
We have Platinum versus the Epicita Minerals. Platinum is Mandao.
Straight.
Lama mboni straight to
Straight.
Platinum. Then we have Tail One versus Yada.
Straight.
Straight Tail One, right?
Yeah.
Then the Kariba, the PC Kariba versus the Islanders in Yamunga.
True.
Ngifuma bakiya sebengaphuma le 3 points.
Kula.
Now uthini? I-draw.
Straight draw.
90 I singaphuma le 3. One more.
Le chisile nje iZPC.
Yeah, ichisile.
Doing well nje.
Ikode ngukhuluma ukuthi iform yale zone 4. It's not by fluke. It's not by fluke ukuthi yalenda ku top 4. And nxa ihamba away check ama results abo abadleka dleki.
Iko ngisho uyabona kufana iZPC ungakhanyela la ayikadliwa away ayikadliwa home.
So una say
straight draw le. And engena magoli.
Mana yeah, but the front line island is not far, but ngabe away is auto reason ufake 2. Maybe nxa beef le pressure.
Hayi PPF but le yanya utela.
Then we've got another tough one, Rentals College versus Ingezi Platinum Rufaro. Le yo draw. Le 1-1. Now Jane. What's happening with Chirinda kan?
Yeah.
There's no scoring. I think only 1 goal. 11 games. It's unlike Chirinda. Come on, man. Then Simba Bora, ele trying another tough one. What's an
straight Simba.
Ugenesis ndiyamdelele bamba amateam anga.
Straight
win Simba.
Manje ubamba amateam iDynamos ngikhathi. Show nothi.
Hayi dibara wathi abasayizwa. Liyazijela iDynamos. iDynamos mntaka yayifuna team la Manika ile Scott esakuva. Scotland. Manika Diamonds
draw. Scott draw.
Nike result eli straight indeed. I-draw iphe winner.
But it's
Scotland straight win.
It's true.
So which is 3 in a row. This will be the 4th in a row.
Yeah, it's a straight draw.
Then the Chicken Inn is at home. So this week's Eluviv, Saturday. Chicken Inn is at home to Green Fuel. At least battle 4 away.
Equi.
Green Fuel ngani good defense.
Ingomelo kunje is true.
But umakopa hlole 4 nje.
Kwe.
Umakopa hlole 4. But boost confidence.
But kwe.
The last game is Saturday. Imoza straight win Moza. Ile quick. Engoni.
Straight.
Straight win.
Straight. Guy away. Straight.
Then Sunday is the Harare derby. The former.
He's striking derby. Ema strike yazi.
El strike liko.
El strike liko iyo majini. Cause wina ibisele yemuva.
Relegation.
Wina.
I never thought I would say this. Relegation bound. Capes United and Dynamos.
Ale ayila ma-headline iDerby.
Hayi iDerby le J. I think izaba iDerby engasoze igcwalise istadium. Ezehle ugcwalise iRuvara.
Le yesingaba i-West Derby.
Kumbe sebengahamba ukuyabukela njengoba iScott away.
Away. Yiyo
West kuyi one game eHarare.
Yokuthi sike
Le
siyobona.
fixture la vele I think bayifixele njalo.
Sike sibona ukhathi ezabantulohamba njani.
Eish.
But I give it to Caps. Straight Caps.
0-0.
Hayi mina I give it to Caps.
Nxa amabhulanye engaxotshwanga ngani iviki le
I-0-0.
i-0-0 bengamcotsha khona ucoach
iDynamos
omusha
iyawina.
iDynamos ingawini because kule into eyenzakalayo kungaba lo coach omusha.
But mina I give it to Caps. You know why? I-Caps pound for pound, player to player.
Yes.
Ingcono
Kule
kule
Dynamos,
Dynamos. Ile experience kule Dynamos.
Player for player
Player for player and mina give it to Caps.
player for player alamevuma iCaps singathatha
Isingathatha. Plus iCaps the experience
a lot of
labana manje abaningi abafana labalabana iDerby abayazi.
hayi abayikwanisa
Abayazi, bayabakazi bechayisane la.
hayi
So I think
iCaps le chance.
iCaps the big chance to win.
Eish. It's sad to say goodbye. Hawu mnandi
But kule inye phela izifa ka.
Oh yes. Wangikhumbuza. Unqobile Magwiza ufuna ukuphendula
Ufuna izifa ka into enhle nto wena.
icup lana manje blind ngiyancane. I think we last played. That's sayidlala phela. Uyazichaza ngani? Yayichaza ukuthi you get a chance to because back then thina sasidlala iD2.
2 exactly.
Yabo sese ku Ajax. We got a chance to rub shoulders lama big guns
Umarufu,
ku Premier League. You understand? So it's a chance for lower division teams. If izifa engayiphendula
It's a good cup.
It's a good cup. Yeah, motivate.
Ikakhulu. Because imagine
your aim would be to
kuthi Scotland versus yini Ajax sihle silethi wayisi.
you understand or City Division 2 kulayipi or iGwanda
uyabona Gwanda Pirates
uzothatha Dynamos versus Gwanda Pirates ibunandi bezifa in cup so bengayiphendukisa and iyazikhulumela iyaunite ama footballers
kakhulu.
I think the social teams they participate and
hayi I think bathi division 3
because last time I remember kule social team yahluphayo ehlanganiswa
kwahle kwathiwa
i-team lana yayiku-social yagcina ikhitshwe i-Caps yayisidlile ama-team
yabidoba yaba vele ngalahlele sezifikile izidynamos
also izifa kanjani ama-team e-social le team engikhulumayo ayiparticipate yani bampikana nje i-social lana eHarare yahlupha yadliwa yilokuzeni ku-final so kanti sibengathi encane from D3 usungamangani
very uyayithuka ilama surprises phela
usungamangani like just like i-FA Cup because kulama player besithi abebukele so ithi mina lo nyamkhulela
anje wabona yiyo
edlala ku-Premier ekusho ukuthi mina bona uManager mina yamkhulela ngokutshela ngalo
ngalani lama surprise imnandi cup leya
imnandi kakhulu
hayi imnandi
wangikhumbuza nje cha Nqobile Magwiza
yabenza
which shows into esiqalise ngayo ishow
into ukuthi is doing something because cup lena bese le cup e1 ndoda ichibuku yodwa yofuna ichibuku yodwa ndoda kuyenza ithi sikathi silawo kungaba songo FA
so FA very FA nje Nedbank ekhona
yajabona
FA so
kushabu kakhulu for football ku right
proper so that's it for this week's show. Kuyabhoka ukuthi goodbye to our viewers
kuyasofunakala live sithole isikhuluma ibhore
lokho manje vele for pass and move but nxa usibukela for the first time and ufikela usufike ukugcineni remember to like subscribe share ungachayisana le banner umbe Mpophoma umbe number 6 enxese zayifakala zeHarare la kwezinye indawo ongachasa la eMganwini Gwanda just buy iBenaya man ngoba nxa uthenga iBenaya uyabusupportela
kakhulu
uyabusupportela so please guys as always asalincanywa blind liyasincedisa ukuthi sikhule ama comments siyabonga nxa sifike eBF these days abantu besithi ama gents doing a good job. Singafikela uvive abantu bayakholisa.
Mnandi.
Into esisele nje kuphela for us to get more sponsors, abantu best support, and thanks to Deb3 Media, the guys behind the scenes, behind the crew, ngathi the guys abacabezona was to the crew Menzisto, Dovini, Ncobezi,
Siyabona.
the crew behind the scenes.
Inelenza kube khona.
Danko.